Schoolstream's Intelligent Forms is a ready-to-use, maintenance-free application that every district, large or small, will need. It comes with a complete set of forms covering 90% of a district's daily operational needs that can be used immediately. Schoolstream Intelligent Forms web-enabling district's daily operation to allow the district to operate remotely. The district staff can securely conduct day-to-day operations anytime, anywhere to maximize their efficiency and throughput. Forms and packages can be categorized and configured to be accessible to the public or only internal staff. Public users can submit a public form or package without logging in. Staff can submit an internal form or package after logging in. A district can send a package to public users or staff. The user interface of Intelligent Forms is intuitive and easy to use. Training videos are provided for different user roles and are integrated into the applications accessible to all users while using Schoolstream. User training overhead is minimized for the district. Forms can be integrated with district information or third-party services. District buildings, district account codes, student information, Google Maps, GSA, form fields can be customized based on user inputs. SSO integration. Schoolstream Intelligent Forms can save cost and increase efficiency. Schoolstream Innovative Package feature allows district staff to send out packages such as student information update forms, student registration forms, new staff onboarding forms, staff existing forms, and staff information update forms with pre-populated information. The recipient only needs to edit the altered information without filling out the complete form. It automates the process, saves time filling in forms, and reduces paper and mailing costs. A district can manage the tracking of the sent package in a list view with the approval status for each form. Package configuration. Schoolstream's various searching methods, including form status, submission time, submitter names, and date range, can help application managers find the forms they want quickly. The form's approval path can either be pre-configured by district or configured at the approval time whilst processing the form. These features reduce the system setup and the maintenance efforts. Authorized users can reassign temporary or permanent approver quickly, whilst processing the form reduces tremendous maintenance headaches. Schoolstream Intelligent Forms has a built-in self-learning function. The system will learn each user's behavior and recommend the possible routing path. Manage email template. Administrators can set up email templates sent out by the system automatically for different purposes. The collaborative mail, C-mail, helps sort and track forms and packages in an efficient way. The icons and hover over information can give a clear status of each form. The people icons track each state of the form being processed, from submission to final approval. Icons also show the revision of the forms that require the user's attention for reprocessing. Submitter and approvers can collaborate while the form is being processed to resolve any issues through the bulletin board, text messaging, and email. The pre-populated common fields reduce the effort of users re-entering repeated information in different forms in a package. Any change of the common fields in one form will also propagate to all forms to keep the integrity of the data across all forms in a package. SchoolStream Intelligent Forms provide governance and facilitate the auditing process. The granularity of the SchoolStream authority control allows users with different roles to access different information of a form or a package. It can also provide an edit trail on sensitive data for fraud prevention, governance, and auditing purposes. User authority configuration. Forms approval history provides proofs of approval responsibilities and legality of the information. SchoolStream Intelligent Forms datify all your district information and sets the foundation for the district to move to data visualization and predictive analysis. SchoolStream provides the service to generate custom reports with data visualization tools to help managers plan, forecast, and make decisions. The intelligent forms also improve the situation awareness by tracking the transactional information while the information is still being processed, allowing decision makers to have real-time information at their fingertips to make in-time and informative decisions. SchoolStream Intelligent Forms can be the only application you need to replace 90% of the paper, PDF forms, and spreadsheets, reduce filing facilities and effort, as well as saving time and work for your staff. Start your automation with SchoolStream Intelligent Forms to save cost and increase efficiency for your district. SchoolStream is now offering a free trial package which includes 10 forms from Intelligent Forms and one extra application to help you automate the most concerning operation processes.